Alright guys, real quick, I'm going to show you how to add new members to these time clock kiosk. First go to your web portal and the highlighted address is where you need to go. Type in the instance name, which is your location, and then the password, capital Amarillo V3T. Alright, that should take you to your time clock. I'm using 45th as the example for this purpose. And then inside here, this is what your staff will see. Click the three dots, and then you have to enter the password again. And then hit Pin Enrollment. When you do that, it brings up Kiosk Administration, allows you to put in the badge number, 4-digit PIN, confirm the 4-digit PIN, and then save. That should take care of enrolling any of your new staff members. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, there you go.